Jai Hind everyone. The topic of my lecturate is ISRO. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. It was established in the year 1969 and Vikram Sarabhai is known as the father of Indian space programs. So ISRO has been a very integrated part of India's development in the exploration of space and related fields. ISRO started its journey with the launch of its first satellite called Aryabhatta with the help of Russian space agency. After that, India launched many lunar, solar and Mars exploration missions and many collaborations with other space agencies. The first lunar mission of India was Chandrayaan-1 in the year 2008, where India made a successful landing on Moon for studying the presence of water on the Moon's surface. Later in the year 2023, Chandrayaan-3 was launched, where we landed on the south pole of the Moon and named that point as Shiv Shakti Point. In year 2013, India launched its Mars exploration mission, which is called the Mangalyaan mission, through which it was the most successful mission of ISRO because it was very cost effective and India was one of the few nations that achieved this feat. Later in the year 2024, we launched a solar mission, which was the Aditya L1 for studying the corona of Sun. The recent most projects of ISRO are NISAR, and there was one more mission with the collaboration with NASA, which was Axiom 4, in which the group captain Subhanshu Shukla went in the International Space Station and did research on narrowbacteriology. And talking about NISAR, so NISAR was an integrated mission with NASA. NISAR stands for NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, where NASA and ISRO together launched two satellites called the S and L, for the S band and for the L band. Talking about ISRO's upcoming mission, so ISRO's focus is on creating its own international space station called the Gaganyaan mission. For this, ISRO has taken the necessary step by launching the Chaser and Lander satellites, which are docked in space, and it was a very successful mission of ISRO. ISRO works with the idea of giving India a significant position in the world exploration of space, and its collaboration with other space agencies will be going on in future as well. Thank you.